So now that you've gone ahead and secured your rear wheels in the axle hole, you're going to want to flip the car on its side and pull one of the wheels off. This is when the plastic tubes that came with your kit are going to come in handy. What you're going to do is start out by cutting that plastic tube in half. The reason you cut it in half is because that'll make sure that the wheels stay even on both sides of your car. After you cut the plastic tube, take the top wheel off of the car so that the axle stays in one of your wheels but not in both. Take the axle out, put your plastic tube on, and then go ahead, put the axle back through the hole, put the other plastic tube on, take your wheel, and then push it down onto the axle so that you now have a car with a rear set of wheels. Make sure there's not a lot of shake in the car. After you make sure that there's not a lot of shake, you want to spin the wheels. If the wheels don't spin freely, you're going to want to take off one of the wheels, pull the axle back out, and shorten the plastic tube on both sides of the wheel an even amount. This will keep your rear wheels centered on the car so that your car is able to travel in a straight line. So go ahead, trim those down, then you push the So push the plastic tube back onto the axle, put the axle back through the car, and then put the plastic tube on the other side, and finally push the wheel back on so that everything's nice and tight and put back together. Now you want to make sure that it doesn't shake a lot, and then you want to give it a spin test. If the wheels spin freely, you've done it right. If the wheels don't spin freely, go ahead and repeat the process again, cutting a little bit off the tube each time.